Flashpoint X100, ND filter, and no high-speed sync. And I'm still killing the sun. Let me show you how. What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm going to show you how to shoot on harsh sunlight with a speed light. All you need is an ND filter. We're going to use a couple of diffusers, so let's go shoot. So these are my settings: 1/200th of a second, 2.8, ISO 100. This is as low as I could go without having my shutter go over the speed sync, which is 200. High speed sync causes the flash to shoot a couple of bursts of flash, so you lose power. So that's why I don't like to use high-speed sync, especially using it with a speed light. So what I'm gonna do is, this is where the ND filter comes into play. Now I could play around with how dark I want the background, and I have enough power to expose the model correctly. So let me show you what it looks like without the ND filter. All right, so 1/200th of a second, 2.8, 100 ISO. That's crazy how bright it is. So now let's put the ND filter so you can see the difference, and we're gonna turn on the flash. The flash, I have it at a quarter power. This is the Tiffin ND filter, 2 to 5 stops. So let's take another shot with the flash. This is basically your ISO. All right, guys, now that I have my exposure locked in, let's get the shot. Today we're working with the Glow Parasnap softbox alongside the Flashpoint X100C. The Parasnap is available in various sizes. Today I have the 20-inch, 24-inch, 28-inch, and 32-inch. They also come in 36-inch and 44-inch. It's a quick umbrella style setup, means we're ready to shoot in seconds. All right, guys, so we got enough wide angle shots. I love how those shots came out. Now I changed to the 50mm 1.2. I'm gonna go all the way down to 1.2. I have this nice graffiti background, this building, and I wanna get that blurred out with this outfit. I think it's gonna look really good. So let's get those shots. All right, so we had the 32-inch diffuser that covered her whole body, but right now I just want like a little spotlight just on her with this black background. Let's see how it comes out. So we're using the 20-inch Parasnap now. All right, guys, as you can see, you could definitely overpower the sun with a speed light. All you need is the ND, a nice diffuser, a good model, and a great location. Let me know if you like what you saw today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.